pleasant day to everyone. Before I get started, specifically, we invited you here today to come up with our problem, particularly on the country's budget crisis. We are in the eye of severe economic crisis. Revenue forecasts are much lower than intended, which makes some tough calls regarding the budget allocation.
There was a 50% decrease in the project revenue for the next fiscal year. This will be impact all the level of government agencies. Let's say that the project revenue for the current year is 1 trillion pesos and is decreased in 50%. This translates to a 500 billion pesos reduction. So there will be 500 billion pesos only projected revenue for the next fiscal year.
This news is absolutely heartbreaking. Our social welfare program, which are beneficial for those in need, are already lacking funds. Any reduction would definitely lead to severe issues.
We are dealing in the same matters. Educations remain a major foundations of our country's and young individual future, and any cut in the budget would severely compromises our ability to provide quality education.
So the economic downturn is causing job losses. We have to keep findings for job creation and workers' protection programs to lessen the impact on workers. More unemployment will only make things worse.
Public health is extremely important, but it can lead to outbreak of preventable disease, higher death rates, and more pressure on our healthcare system. We need to keep essential service running, including disease tracking, vaccination program, and healthcare access for those who are vulnerable. The farming sector is at risk. We must ensure there is funding for agricultural support programs to keep food production going and avoid food storage. Food security is essential during a crisis.
Keeping and improving our infrastructure is crucial for long-term economic growth. Even if some projects may be postponed, but we must focus on necessary maintenance to prevent further damage and ensure goods and services more smoothly. Ignoring infrastructure today will cost us more in the long term.
Let's discuss potential strategies. So, what are your suggestions for the budget reallocation?
From a macroeconomic perspective, this economic downturn demand a well-rounded strategy. While it's important to provide immediate help, we must also think about the long-term challenges that will make the country stronger against future economic challenges. We should look at the policies that boost economic growth, draw in foreign investment, and diversity in the economy. When making short-term budget cuts, we need to plan carefully to avoid hurting the economy in the long run. For instance, focusing on investment in infrastructure and developing workplace will benefit us later, even if we have to make tough decisions now. I put together some initial ideas for the long-term strategy that we'll discuss about.